Planning a dream trip to Switzerland? From the snow-capped Alps to postcard-perfect villages, it's no doubt one of the most breathtaking countries in the world. But before you start sipping hot chocolate in Zermatt or snapping photos in Interlaken, there are 10 shocking travel tips every tourist needs to know, and most don't. Trust us, these will save your trip, your money, and maybe even your dignity. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Switzerland is eye-wateringly expensive. Yes, Switzerland has stunning beauty, but it also has stunning prices. A simple meal can cost you $30 plus, and a bottle of water might set you back $5. Budget travelers, beware. You can burn through your savings fast. Pro tip: shop at Migros or Coop grocery stores and take advantage of day travel passes on Swiss public transport. Tip number 2, tap water is liquid gold, and it's free. Don't waste money buying bottled water. Swiss tap water is not only safe, it's some of the purest in the world. You'll even find public fountains in cities and villages. Refill your bottle and stay hydrated for free. Tip number 3, trains run like Swiss clocks. Literally. Swiss trains are fast, clean, and obsessively punctual. If your train departs at 10:32 a.m., it will leave at 10:32, not a second later. Be early, not on time. Miss a connection and you could derail your entire day's plans. Also, consider the Swiss Travel Pass if you plan to hop around. It can save you hundreds. Tip number 4. Sundays are almost too peaceful. Planning to shop or explore on a Sunday? Most stores, and even some restaurants, close on Sundays. Cities can feel eerily quiet. Plan your shopping and dining in advance and treat Sundays like a scenic rest day. In Switzerland, rules are rules, and people follow them. Jaywalking can get you fined, even if the road is empty. Wait for the green pedestrian light, always. Want to blend in? Follow the rules to the letter. The Swiss sure do. Tip number 6. Noise rules are strict even for tourists. Switzerland is known for peace and quiet, and they enforce it. Avoid loud music, slamming doors, or talking loudly in public transport. There are even quiet hours in apartment buildings, usually between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. Making noise during these hours can earn you complaints or even a visit from the police. Tip number 7. Want to ride the cable cars? Bring a fat wallet. The mountain views are jaw-dropping, but the prices to get up there can make you dizzy. Popular cable car rides, like Jungfraujoch or Gornergrat, can cost $80 to $150 plus per person. Always check prices in advance, book online for discounts, and consider if a rail pass covers the trip. Tip number 8. Credit cards work, but cash is still king. Switzerland is modern, but surprisingly, some places don't accept cards, especially smaller cafes or mountain huts. Always carry a bit of Swiss francs, CHF, especially in rural areas or for small purchases. And no, they don't use the euro here. Some border towns might accept it, but don't rely on it. Tip number 9. You'll need to pay to pee. Yes, public restrooms often charge a fee, usually around 1 to 2 CHF. Have some coins handy, or use restrooms in train stations, large stores, or fast food spots where access is free. When nature calls in Switzerland, it might cost you. Tip number 10. Don't confuse Swiss German with German German. In the German-speaking part of Switzerland, people speak Swiss German, and it's very different from standard German. Even fluent German speakers from Germany sometimes struggle to understand it. But don't worry, most Swiss speak excellent English and are happy to help. Still, learning a few phrases in French, German, or Italian, depending on the region, will win you points. Bonus tip: Switzerland is not just about mountains. Sure, the Alps are iconic, but don't miss Switzerland's underrated cities and lakes. Zurich's nightlife, Bern's medieval streets, Lucerne's lakeside charm, and Geneva's international flavor all offer something unique. Balance your mountain hikes with a taste of Swiss urban life. You won't regret it. So, still dreaming of that Swiss escape? Armed with these shocking travel tips, you're ready to explore Switzerland like a local, smarter, cheaper, and more respectfully. Have you been to Switzerland? What surprised you the most? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. And hey, if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a travel secret again.